Amazon Prime login, how to log in or sign in Amazon Prime. Now, if you're new to Amazon Prime or just need a little help logging in, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to log into Amazon Prime and Prime Video. It's quick and simple, so let's get started. Now, first things first, what you need to do is open your preferred web browser and go to amazon.com. You can also simply open the amazon.com or the Amazon app on your mobile device. On the home page, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. If you're already logged in, it will show your name, but if you're not already logged in yet, simply click on sign in this button. Now you'll be asked to enter your login details. Simply type in the email or mobile phone number associated with the Amazon account and click continue. Next, enter your password and click the sign in button to access your account. Now, once you're logged in, you can access your Amazon Prime membership. Just hover the account and list menu. Now, simply tap on Prime membership. Now, to manage your Prime account and benefits, you can simply do everything over here. Now, if you want to watch content on Prime Video, you can simply head over to primevideo.com or open the Prime Video app. On the website, simply tap on sign in. Let me show you. Click on sign in. Now, enter your Amazon details again, like email and password, just like you did for the amazon.com. This will log you directly into Prime Video. And now, after you've logged in, you can browse movies, shows, and more. You can enjoy all the benefits of Prime Video, like access to exclusive content and streaming in HD.